special opportunity, I would like to tell you about bilingualism and multilingualism. Before we talk further about bilingualism and multilingualism, we talk about language. According to Quinn, language is the medium through which the child acquires the cultural, moral, religious, and other values of society. It is clear that if we want to teach children the culture, we want to teach them moral and religion. So, what do we need? First of all, we need language. The person who is conveying so big act in the right children should understand the language in a proper way. Bilingual education is an umbrella term for many types of programs in which two languages are used for instruction. Bilingual child grows up speaking two different languages in order to learn a local language of another land acquires the second language. Now, what does it mean by being bilingualism and multilingualism? These are different terms but related with languages. The first topic is bilingualism. Bilingualism derived from two words, bi and lingualism. Bi means two, and lingualism, that is the knowledge of the language. So, bilingualism means a common human condition that makes it possible for an individual to function at some level in more than one language. Someone who speaks two languages and comprehend and produce written or spoken utterance in more than one languages is known as bilingual. Nowadays, the ability of global society to speak more than one language is a valuable asset. Americans fluent in language other than English enhance their economic competitiveness and growth, improve global communication, help to maintain their political and security interests, and promote tolerance and intercultural awareness. Okay, next topic about another term is multilingualism. Multilingualism, as the word denotes, more than two. Multilingualism is the ability of an individual speaker or a community of speakers to communicate effectively in three or more languages. A person who can speak multiple languages is known as a multilingual. As conclusion, bilingualism and multilingualism is an interdisciplinary and complex field. Bilingualism and multilingualism phenomena are devoted to the study of production, processing, and comprehension of two or more than two languages respectively. Back to bilingual education as umbrella terms. Bilingual education can be defined as utilization of two languages in teaching academic. The goal of bilingual education is understanding a second or foreign language. There are some types of bilingual education program models. They are such as transitional bilingual education, immersion bilingual programs, two-way or dual language immersion, and English as a second language. Now, we back to transitional bilingual education. Transitional bilingual education involves education in a child native language, typically for no more than 3 years, to ensure that the students do not fall behind in contrast areas like mathematics, science, and social studies while they are learning English. So, how about immersion bilingual programs? Immersion is a type of bilingual education in which subjects are taught in a student's second language. The students are immersed into a classroom in which the subject taught entirely in their second language. Next program model is dual language immersion. Dual language immersion education refers to programs that provide grade level content and literacy instruction to all students through two languages, English and a partner language. Next, English as a second language. This program entails learning English while with people that speak the same language as you. ESL is supplementary comprehensive English language program for students trying to learn the language to better function in American society. Next, the last program model is developmental bilingual education, or can be called LEAD-EXIT. In this education, the child native language for an extended duration accompanied by education in English. The goal of this program model is to develop literacy in the child native language first and transfer these skills to the second language. Okay everybody, that's a little explanation about bilingualism and multilingualism related to bilingual education. Thanks for watching and see you!